Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can alphabetize in Google Docs. As an example, I prepared my references which I want to alphabetize, and let's get started. So the first thing is that we need to install extension called Doc Tools. So I'm going to click on extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, and here in the search bar just search for Doc Tools. All right, and it's this first option, so you can see it has 5 million installs. So I can click on it, install. Now we should sign with our Google account. Continue, you want to allow permissions to this tool, then continue. Now the doc tool has been installed, so we can try it. So what I can do, I can press Ctrl A on my keyboard to select everything on my pages. Now we can go to extensions, doc tools, and here you're gonna have all the options you can do with this extension, and we want to sort the selection ascending or descending. So ascending is going to be like from ABC, and the descending is basically the opposite. I did a little bit of mistake, so I selected title 2, so make sure to not select title, and then go again to doc tools, and here you can select if you want to sort the descending or ascending. So I'm gonna do descending, and here we go. Now I'm gonna show you also how you can fix this so we don't have any spaces. So I'm gonna select again everything. We're gonna go to line paragraph spacing, and from here I'm gonna do add space after paragraph, and you can see we have spaces again like we did before. So this is how you can alphabetize in Google Docs. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.